Today I'm here to explain about these questions. So far, I have explained some properties of logarithms. Then from now on, I'm going to work on the logarithmic equations. So let's get started from number A. 2 to the power of x is equal 8. How would you do that? So actually it looks pretty easy. If you put 3 into x, 2 cube is equal to 8. So you can solve this question easily. But let's use logarithm this time. Do you remember how to convert the equation like x is equal something? Yes. It's like this, log base 2 of 8. Man, let me use change of base rule. Oops, no, let me use the power rule, sorry. 8 is 2 cube, so this power can move in front of log using power rule. 3 times log base 2 of 2. So if you have no idea about power rule, please check out my previous video. It's 3 times log base 2 of 2 is equivalent to 1. So the answer is 3. And then next, 3 to the power of x is equal 11. So let's convert this equation again. 3 is equivalent to log base 3 of 11. But now you got the problem. That's because most calculators cannot calculate log base 3 of something. But most calculators can calculate base 10 of something. So let's change the base of this logarithm. Do you remember how to do that? So you want to take the base of 10. So like this. It's called change of base rule. So if you have no idea about it, please check out my previous video. Okay. Then let me use calculator to calculate it. Log base 10 of 11 is 1.04139. Overall log base 10 of 3 is 0.47712. Then let me use calculator again. X is equivalent to 2.1827. That's it. Okay, let's work on one more question. Log base 10 of x plus 3 plus log base 10 of x is equivalent to 1. First, there's no base in these logarithms. This means the base is 10. It's better to know that. And this is logarithmic equations. It looks so complicated to solve. But technically, what you have to do is, if the equation is like log base 10 of x is equivalent to log base 10 of 4, the solution, x is going to be 4, right? So this is the basic concept of logarithmic equations. So you have to make equation like log base 10 of something is equivalent to log base 10 of something. So let's do it. But here you have 2 terms on left side. So let's make it 10. Do you know how to do that? Let me use product rule. If you have no idea about it, please check out my previous video. So using product rule, it's going to be log base 10 of x times x plus 3 is equivalent to 1. Then, but now it's still left side is logarithm, right side is just constant number. So let's make right side is also logarithm. And the base is 10 on the left side. So let's also have the base of 10 on right side too. 1 is the base 10 of 10, right? Now you finished making this equation, like log base 10 of something is equal log base 10 of something. So what you have to do is here these have to be same, equal. X times x plus 3 is equal 10. Now it's just quadratic equation. Do you remember how to solve it? So first you need to make everything on right side. You need to make left side. You need to make right side 0. 3 negative 10 is equivalent to 0. And you factor it. X plus 5 times x negative 2 is equal 0. The solutions are x equal 2 and negative 5. But you have to be careful because it has log base 10 of x. This means x have to be bigger than 0. So negative 5 is not the solution of this equation. So only x equal 2 is the answer. That's it.